welcome to Airstream DFW. This is Mikayla Evans. I'm standing inside the showroom with another new all 2026 model, the Interstate 19 GT. Don't be confused, you guys. We are now calling it a 19 GT. This is that Interstate 19 that you're kind of gotten used to seeing that name. They've added back on that Grand Tour GT at the end there, but this is an all new color. So I know last week we kind of talked a little bit when we went through the Tommy Bahama, we talked a little bit about the new Advanced Power Plus package. And we'll talk a little bit more about that today, but really I am just here to show you how beautiful this is. I am taking this as my own. Airstream is calling it Amber Ridge, but you guys, this is a Fort Worth van. It looks so Fort Worth. Just wait until you see this interior. Absolutely beautiful, really giving like a country vibe, really giving an expensive hotel drover type of vibe. Shout out to Hotel Drover. Let's check it out. We're gonna go around the outside first. These new 2026s have a really nice new front grille, and we've got some other new 2026 features I'll point out. But let's take a look around this thing. Please forgive if this thing looks a little dirty. It literally just got here from the factory, but I like called Rashad and was like, get over here, let's film this thing. It's so beautiful. This is that new front grille I'm telling you about. So when you're looking at 2025s or anything before that and these new 2026s, this grille is significantly different. Like, it is just so wow. Nice big Mercedes logo with this pretty Airstream across the front. Also all the 360 cameras that you're used to. So all these little cameras down here in at the bottom. And then if you look up onto the windshield, we've got some really nice sensors. Of course, this is Mercedes best in class safety features, all advanced safety features, lane assist, park assist, brake assist, collision awareness. So you're gonna get all of that on that Mercedes, even in the 19 foot. So both in that 24 and in this smaller version. So the 19 foot's gonna fit into a normal parking space, really easy if you're a mom out there that's taking kids club soccer, club baseball, club cheer. I was a club cheer mom, you guys. I get it. It's like an all-day affair. This is a perfect van to get those kids in and get going. Or if you're just a couple and you're on the road and you want to keep something at the house that's not going to violate HOA, 19 foot is where it's at. Please come check it out. So behind me, we're going to check out some more of these features, the hookups, the macerator toilet. So come look at those with me now. Okay, sorry, I'm a little squished in between here in this 19 and the Atlas beside me, but I think we can still go through all of this stuff. So an Interstate on a Mercedes chassis is going to be a diesel engine, you guys. So here's your diesel fill up here. Right behind it, we've got an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. I actually love on all the Interstate lines, it's a little higher, like waist high. So super easy to hook up that shower hose, wash off dogs, wash off feet, whatever you need while you're out and about camping. Then behind me, you've got your sewer hookup hose. Super easy to pull out. There's actually a retract button here on the side. So same thing, really high, easy to get to. You're not having to bend down to get to this. Just easy to pull in and out straight from the cab. Then behind me, of course, you've got your black flush, and then your smart plug. So easy to use in and out and give some extra protection for your electricity at campsites here as well. 19 foot is also going to have additional solar hookup. So you've got 300 watts of solar on this thing straight from the factory. But if you wanted to add some additional solar, you could do it right here from the side as well. Come check out the storage in the back. So I'm in a good spot now to kind of talk about that new Advanced Power Plus package. And I said 300 watts of solar. Duh, that's last year. That's out, guys. This one has 600 watts of solar. We're talking about no onboard generator with this new Advanced Plus system, Advanced Power system. We've got 10.3 kilowatt hours of power. So we're talking about being able to run the AC, the lights, the water heater, everything off of this battery power. So a truly off-grid system ran just off solar and batteries. Of course, you can charge the batteries through that smart cord, through your 30 amp service, or while you're driving, you've got a second alternator that's recharging the batteries as well. So back here in the back, this is actually has these little brackets that pop out and unlock. So you've got a little storage, but your batteries are also going to sit up underneath here, as well as your inverter too. So that power package kind of sits in this rear, but still allows you to have some storage back here, which is really great. I know when you were going before and trying to upgrade to a bigger package, you really lost a bigger lithium package. You really lose some of that battery power. You're still gonna get some storage here on the doors. Up above me is a rear camera. And so when you're in reverse or when you're clicking on that left blinker, you're gonna be able to see all the way down the side and the back for anyone coming up behind you. Now, you also have a blackout shade here. This is a powered shade as well as the other ones inside the coach, and a screen to keep bugs out. So if you wanted to open these back doors and let some breeze through, you can put down a screen to protect anything from coming in here in the back. So let's check out inside this thing. I'm so excited for you to see this beautiful color. Okay, I'm finally gonna let you see inside this thing. It's so beautiful, but let me kind of point out a couple things on the outside. So this is a power door and a power step. So just pull the handle, everything comes out. You can lock the step, so if you're coming in and out while you're eating, you've got this beautiful power awning. I'll pull that out for you guys so you can see the new color. It's absolutely gorgeous. When you get inside here, you're gonna see, I'm kind of sad I didn't wear my cowboy boots. If any of y'all met me in person, especially on a Saturday, I'm almost always wearing my cowboy boots. I'm so casual today, but I just didn't know that we would have this and be filming it, but it does, just wait, it's like so cowboy in here. So right here at the entrance, you'll have this really nice screen door, opens and closes super easy. You actually have this pass through. If you were in the kitchen, you can pass drinks and stuff out, but you also have a screen here as well to really close off this area while still letting breeze inside. And then behind me is your bathroom. You can already start to see this wood grain color. It's just really rich looking, very dark, very rich. And of course, this is a wet dry bath. If you haven't seen a 19 Interstate video yet, you're gonna have this European wet dry bath. So your potty and your shower is here in the same. You've got a little sink that you can use and a little mirror and a towel rack here. I'm 5'4", I've got on platform-ish sneaker, so maybe 5'5", 5'6" right now, and I still have a lot of room. For my guys, you can kind of sit down and still use the shower, and you have a drying rack in here too. So come inside, come and look at this pretty leather. So you can see in the 19-foot, you still got this good galley space area for your kitchen, nice high faucet, and then a deep sink, you know, wash dishes, get some ice out, put ice in here, like a nice room for a sink. And then of course, because this is gonna run off lithium batteries and there's no onboard propane here on these 2026s, you're gonna have an induction stovetop. I promise, induction stovetops have been like the #1 thing customers are asking me the last 4 months. Everybody wants to know when everything is getting an induction stovetop. So I guess this is the wave of the future. This is what everybody wants, is an induction stovetop. So you've got it on this van. Now you've got a little bit of galley space. We've got some drawer space, utensils, cleaning supplies down here. It's a nice little cabinet. We even have a small trash can that's actually on board. So super nice there. Airstream does a great job packing a lot of storage into a small space. Now, right across, you have your fridge. This does have a small freezer. You guys, it's not crazy. We're talking about 2 pints of ice cream, maybe 3, some ice trays, something like that. But enough for cold drinks, or if you're taking this on like a little girl's trip to put some high noons or whatever you're gonna do while you're camping. And then underneath the fridge, you have a good pantry space too. So chips, canned goods, whatever you want in here. One of my customers said the funniest thing, she said she was gonna put all of her makeup in here. And I was like, yes, okay, I can see that as the makeup drawer for sure. Or hairspray or whatever. And then you actually have some hanging space here. Airstream sends it with shelves already built in, so if that works better for you, that's great. Otherwise, there is a rod at the top so you can hang some dry clean shirts or whatever you need to do. Now, the star of the show, I'm blocking it, this leather. So Amber Ridge is the name of this color. There's nothing different when it comes to build out. So whether you pick modern grayish or the Tommy Bahama or the Amber Ridge, it's all about what is customizable to you, what you like as far as interiors go. But this to me just looks so expensive. Is it not giving like the Stockyards? Sorry for my out of Texas watch YouTube subscribers, but if you haven't been to the Stockyards yet, you should get down here and come visit me and go for sure. But it just feels like a leather jacket or cowboy boots. It's so pretty with this dark wood. So you're gonna have storage all along the top here. We've got a cute little microwave to fit a few things up here to reheat some meals. You've got storage along this wall as well. Back here, you also have cup holders, USBs, and some plugs to plug in iPads or charge phones, whatever you need to do back here. So if you haven't yet, please look online, go through the images. We have this one in stock. Of course, it's a 2026. It's available now. Please come by this showroom and come and look in it yourself. I'm gonna have it in here all week and through the weekend. And also that Tommy Bahama you saw in my video a couple weeks ago. Also, you guys, don't forget, if you haven't heard yet, we are doing a Vought RV World show at the Gaylord. So speaking of visiting Fort Worth area, we'll be in Grapevine November 13th, 14th, and 15th. There is going to be so much fun things to do, charities to donate to, shopping to do, Airstreams. We're going to be there with, I think, 25 models for you to look at, a bunch of those 2026s. We're going to have some Jaycos there, Tiffins there, leisure vans there. So please check it out. You can go, the link will be below, click on it, go pre-register. If you pre-register, you're entered to win a $500 gift card. So go ahead and get on that list. Let us know that you're coming, and we can't wait to see you guys there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.